Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, I've got a gist for you about a Nollywood actress, a veteran Nollywood actress. Yes, Genevieve much is not known about her right now because the actress just took to her Instagram page, and her latest move was that she just deleted all her photos, yes, on the Instagram. So if you go there now, hardly will you see any pictures. The pictures there, the album there is just blank. The film diva just, I don't know, she just decided, it's like she likes keeping a low profile. So right now she has deleted all her photos on the Instagram profile picture. She has deleted all the pictures there. Oh my gosh, can somebody please check on her? I don't know what I'm thinking though, but I hope it's not, or she just decided to just keep low. Anyway, we wish her good, and it's a decision she has to take. That's good. If it's for the better, it's good. So our fans and our lover were just worried about our well-being. That hope all is well. We are just worried about you, Auntie Genevieve. We care about you. We love you. That's why we care about you. Yes, please. We wish you well in all your endeavors. You are well already. Yes. It is well with you. It is well with your soul. So that's it about Genevieve who just deleted all our pictures from our Instagram page. So guys, that's it.